Hey there! Ever felt like your washing machine is stuck in the past, while the world around it is advancing at the speed of light? Well, hold on to your socks because I'm about to introduce you to some washing machine wizardry that's going to make laundry day a breeze. Load sensing technology. So, picture this, you've got a massive mountain of laundry to tackle, and you're worried about wasting water and detergent. Enter load sensing technology. This genius feature sizes up your laundry load and uses just the right amount of water and detergent. Translation? You save up to 40% on your water bill. Say goodbye to laundry anxiety. Brands: Samsung, LG, Whirlpool. Steam cleaning. Now, let's talk stains. You know those stubborn marks that refuse to budge? Meet steam cleaning. It's like a spa day for your clothes. This baby uses steam to obliterate stains and banish allergens like they owe it money. Result? Clothes that are cleaner than your kitchen on a good day. Brands: LG, Samsung, Electrolux. Inverter motor. Saving money is always in style, right? Well, the inverter motor is your wallet's new best friend. It's smarter than your average motor. By adjusting its speed, it slashes your electricity bill in half. Over time, that's like having your own little savings account. Brands: Bosch, LG, Panasonic. Smart connectivity. Now, let's talk about control. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while you start your washer from your smartphone. Smart connectivity lets you do just that. No more running back and forth to check on your laundry. It's like having a laundry genie at your service. Brands: Samsung, LG, GE appliances. Quick wash cycles. Running late but need clean clothes? Quick wash cycles to the rescue. These speedy cycles can get your clothes clean in as little as 15 minutes. It's like a time machine for your laundry. Brands: Bosch, LG, Maytag. Auto dispensing. Ever wondered if you're overdoing it with detergent? Auto dispensing to the rescue. It dispenses just the right amount of detergent, saving you money, and keeping your clothes happy and detergent-free. It's like having a laundry butler who knows exactly what your clothes need. Brands: Samsung, LG, Bosch. Multiple water temperature settings. Got delicates and heavy-duty jeans in the same load? Multiple water temperature settings have your back. You can customize the water temperature for different fabrics. No more sacrificing your favorite sweater to the laundry gods. Brands: Whirlpool, LG, Maytag. Noise reduction technology. Remember the days of your washing machine serenading you with its rumbling? Noise reduction technology puts an end to that symphony. It's so quiet you'll forget it's even running. Peace and quiet, finally. Brands: Bosch, LG, Samsung. Drum material and design. Ever found your clothes looking a bit too well-loved after a wash? Innovative drum designs and materials are here to help. They're gentle on your clothes, so your favorite jeans can keep being your favorite jeans. Brands: Miele, Bosch, Samsung. Self-cleaning cycle. Let's talk hygiene. Self-cleaning cycle is your washing machine's way of saying, "I got this." It keeps the machine clean and fresh, so your clothes don't end up smelling like a science experiment gone wrong. Brands: LG, Samsung, Whirlpool. Energy Star certification. Finally, the eco-hero of the laundry room, Energy Star certification. It's like a green badge of honor. It means your machine is super efficient, which equals lower energy and water bills. Plus, you're doing your bit for the planet. Mother Earth approves. Brands: LG, Samsung, Electrolux. So, there you have it, a laundry list of innovative features that will revolutionize your laundry day. With these washing machine wonders, you'll save money, time, and maybe even a few relationships. No more arguing over laundry duty. Now, go forth and conquer your laundry pile with these high-tech marvels. Your clothes will thank you, your wallet will thank you, and you'll have more time for the things that truly matter, like binge watching your favorite TV show. Happy washing!